ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखे मात्र 90 दिनों में।
So I want to know that from which country you are.
From the U.S.
So how many places you have visited in India?
In India, just here, just Varanasi.
Just Varanasi. Is this first place?
First place, yep.
Okay. Since when you have been here?
It has been 7 weeks. I work here right now.
Okay. So are you interested in Indian people? It means what do you like Indian country is?
Oh, I love it. It's beautiful. It's interesting. It's very different, very fun. And it's been great.
Okay. What's find you different that this country is compared to your country?
It's there's a lot more going on. There's a lot more people. There's a lot more activity all the time. Food's much different. I love it.
Okay. Do you like foods?
Oh yeah. So far I have not had any bad Indian meals. They've been all incredible. Yeah.
Okay. Is this first time you are visiting India?
It is my first time, and it won't be my last time. I'll be back.
You will back?
I will.
Okay.
So you are alone or with your family?
I'm alone. Yeah.
You are alone here.
So is there any plan that you will visit another places? Like there are many places in India that are visitable. So is there any plan that you will visit any other places?
This trip? No. Yeah, this trip is a work trip, so I will be leaving in a few days, and straight from here back to the U.S.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Sure, no problem. Thank you.
Take a photo.
Yeah.
सलाम। बहन भाइयों, अंग्रेजी की बढ़ती हुई जरूरतों को देखकर उसे नजरअंदाज नहीं किया जा सकता। अगर आप अच्छी नौकरी करना चाहते हैं या आप किसी इंटरव्यू में जाना चाहते हैं तो बगैर इंग्लिश के ये संभव नहीं है। तो बहन भाइयों, देर किस बात की,